flexible solar panels that have been really nicely installed with tape around the edges and everything. And obviously the air conditioner and the two fantastic fans now on the roof. So there's a lot more happening on the roof than there was when I first purchased it. Just going down, you can see there's an external power outlet that I've installed, and probably used for fairy lights and random things like that. Coming over to here, outside the shed, I've connected the caravan with a product called an Amphibian, which is a 10 amp to 15 amp adapter. It's got its own little fuse in there for overloads, but so that's got the whole caravan connected to the mains around the back there. It's connected, which is just quickly show you. It just plugged in the back there. So coming around to inside, I've had all the wiring done. It's really nice. So coming in the door, the first thing I've got here is I've got LED lights. You can see in the ceiling there, and there's two in the main kitchen section and then one in the back. And these are got a three-way switch for the porch light and the main kitchen section and the thing. I've got a power point here for the fridge that's been installed, and a 12 volt adapter for the TV, which will be on a wall here. Coming this way, I've got the 12 volt there for the fridge, and moving along, this is the bathroom over here and the toilets. I've got a power point in the bathroom, a double switch here for an exhaust fan and the light. So that will be for the bathroom. Coming back, this will be a bedroom back here, and there's a light switch over there and a power point in the bedroom. Now this is the main electrical section. I've got two 120 amp enclosed batteries there, which are don't give off any fumes apparently, and are perfect for caravans. So coming over to the main board, on the left there are the 12 volt circuits and the fuses for those. There's the 12 volt DC power, so that actually has power coming from either the solar power panels or an Anderson plug, or from the actual and they're the two different sources for that charger, and they charge the batteries. Over here, this is a battery charger for the 240 volt mains, and then I've got a 1000 watt sine wave inverter. I've got two power points that are run off the inverter, so it's not going to be a massive drain, and there's the fuses cut-offs for the 240. And just moving along this way, you can see all the wiring in the walls. The electrician suggested that when I resheet that I'll actually use expanding foam to hold it all in place. So I'll spray the foam on, put the sheet on, and hopefully that will hold it in. And so I've got double power points here. Got the fantastic fans all hooked up, and the air conditioners all hooked up as well, as you can see. That keeps things cold and nice and warm in winter. I've got here a switch for the water pump, which sits down there, and the water tank will go up the front. The hot water system's all hooked up to 12 volts, and I've got a power for a range hood up here. And this is just one of two power points I've got that run off an inverter, and as I said, I've got the USB points as well. And just coming up to the back, I'm going to put a stereo, 12 volt stereo in here, and that will be connected to the TV as well. So, and just coming out this way, just down here, you can see I've also had an Anderson plug installed for the charging. So that will connect to the car when it's going along and charge up the batteries as we're driving along. So yeah, that's it. She's all wired and ready to go.